Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I am Ain Shamila binti Abdul Razil, number matrix 1223078. My group mates are Nurin Shahira and Nurul Ain Batrisha. I will start for the introduction of our project. The main goal of our design is to make a website for a bakery to promote the bakery online. Users or customers can easily access this website. Besides that, it is also designed to have high quality material on the website. It can be updated frequently, building potential and loyal customers' trust, and promoting the bakery via social media and other websites. Customer can also see and browse the bakery's products like cakes, cupcakes, and many more. We designed this website to be an elegant yet modern theme official website for the bakery. Okay, now for the second slide, the principle of design I applied are first, the contrast. As you can see, the principle of contrast in terms of color is used here. The button is black and the background is in a soft cream color. These two contrast and the button will pop more to the audience's eyes. Next is alignment. I align all the photo frames to be in the same distance from each other. For the proximity, which is the spatial relationship between words and images elements in this design is applied. This is important so the website looks organized to create good composition. The space between them is all the same, not too near with one another so it will not be crowded and make a visual noise, and it is also not separated too far from each other so that audiences and visitors of this website will not be confused of which to look at first. Next, for the repetition, I repeated the shape and size of the photo frame for the cake pictures to create a consistent and neat structure for this point. Okay, next, elements of design. First, colors. The colors I use are black and soft cream. Next, shapes. I use a geometric shape such as rectangle with sharp corners and edges for the button, and a rectangle with rounded corner for the photo frames for the cake pictures. Next, I use typography such as I use a sans serif typeface. The name of the font are Garbata and Didact Gothic. This typeface is without serifs and shows a more industrial look. The legibility and readability is in a good scale. Some words are bold to emphasize the design. The moderate stroke weight is also suitable for the eyes and most legible choice. Lastly, I applied a fine and smooth floral texture on the background to show maturity and a classical vibe. Okay, now for the last slide, the principle of design applied to this. First is contrast. The contrast of colors between background and text is one is light color and the other is dark. Next, for the alignment, I arrange all the text to be in the center margin. So this type of alignment is called centered text. Next, proximity. Again, proximity, which is the spatial relationship between words and images element in this design is applied. So the website looks organized and neat to the audience's eyes. Next, elements of design. First, colors. Using warm color palette, also elegant and modern colors which consist of gold, white and dark brown. Next, shapes. I use line for the decoration, crown and borders of this page. Typography. Using big fonts to quickly catch users' attention to come by and shop at our bakery. I also use only few types of fonts because using too much different fonts will be chaotic and they will fight for attention. This will decrease readability. Lastly, texture. I applied a fine and smooth texture on the leaves to show calmness and maturity. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain Batrisha binti Mazlan. My chemistry number is 1223080. I want to present about the heading of the Empire Bakery. Firstly, the background picture, I use image of some pastry, such as fruit and some accessories to build the mood and put interest audience to see the pages and buy something from us. I also use white color for the background to bold the image and fonts. Secondly, the logo for our bakery, I use square shape and put delicious image of cakes to tell customers that our services is valid only on cake and pastry bakeries. I also put the name of the bakery on that logo to verify that our logo cannot be imitated. Thirdly, the main title of this page, I use font is one. This font same as the box above, which has a button that can be pressed if there is a question or there is something you want to know about us. This font usually used at the box below that says shop now. Lastly, for another fonts, I use different type for attracted customers to buy our delicious bakery. Next page is top pastry. I use fonts Garbata for the top and fonts Dialect Gothic at the bottom. These fonts can attract the attention of customers to buy our bakery. Secondly, for the first layer background, I use pastel nude color to improve the website series and be able to attract the attention of customers. I use a little flower as an ornament and beautify our page so that it looks more minimalist. Thirdly, I put pictures of various types of pastries and got a warm response from our customers. We believe that the cakes and pastries sold in our stores are guaranteed to be finger-licking and cause customers to buy them again and again. If you don't buy, you will lose. Trust me. The pictures placed in this page are placed in the same form so that it looks more neatly arranged. I put a bright yellow color as the second layer background so that it looks more striking and looks like a contrast color with this beautiful and delicious pastry picture.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Shahira binti Muhammad Norazlin. I would like to present about the concept design that I use on third page about the information of the bakery was layout. I apply consistent text alignment on my design and use repetition on the text box and also the color of the box. The text font that I use to fit on the table is Garbata and Dialect Gothic. The alignment text that I apply is to show about our menu and service of the bakery. Then, the text box is to make it easy for user directly search the topic of their interest by clicking on it. On the other page, I apply contrast on my text. The color is shown black and yellow. Yellow color is the design contrast that I put there on text community. Then I apply proximity to separate between the two groups of words. The one group is about the title, while the other one is about name customer and their feedback. Lastly, I made balanced design on the Empire Bakery story that includes the picture and the text. Now, we present our website wireframe that used to map up the main features and navigation of our web design. And this is our finalized design that we are confirmed to choose as Empire Bakery website.
We combine both professional and modern elements with a touch of elegant and user-friendly layout. From the color palette to the typography, visual elements, and other principle of design in order to ensure and maintain that our website is visually appealing and is suitable for any type of device. We are sure and confident that our design will help us to achieve our long-term and short-term yearly goals. We also hope the audience who uses this website will enjoy it and we can connect to them in a remarkable way. That's all we have to say and present for this project. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.